Hello guys, good morning. This is Mr. Vlog. Ang rides namin ngayon guys ay papunta kaming Manila. Papunta kaming Quirino Grandstand para attend kami ng National Rally Office. Kaso lang hindi namin alam itong lugar na to, kaya ayun, rides lang kami ng rides dito. Kahit hindi namin alam, pero siguro papunta naman to. Tinatanong naman namin na papunta daw to na to, papuntang Muwa. Doon kami magpaparada ng motor para lakarin na lang namin papuntang Quirino Grandstand. Ang alam ko guys, ito ay part ng Paranaque. Ayun, yung binabagtas namin yung highway na to. Pero diretso lang naman to ng ng Muwa. Wala pang masyadong traffic, kaya medyo kabahan tayo dito sa mga daan, kaya susunod lang tayo dito. Meron naman kami isang sinusundan na kasama, kaso lang medyo malayo na, matulin magpatakbo yun sabagay nag-aantay naman yun sa mga katuhan, kaya pag hindi siya nag-aantay, ibig sabihin diretso ka lang. Ayun, subaybayan na lang nyo guys ang rides namin. Papunta kami ng MOA, Mall of Asia.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I can taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Diretso lang ba ito? Bahala na. May MRT na may LRT na. Ibig sabihin nasa katotohanan na tayo. LRT. Oh.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I'm living too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hindi mo lang nag-antay si Bay dito wala na tayo dito. Wala na tayo, airport na ito airport na ito Para sa likod naman tayo, airport, no? Diretso lang tayo, bahala na. Dagat naman talaga bagsakan natin ito. Sky. Hindi tayo dyan. Diretso tayo. Diretso. Hindi. Airport pala diretso ito eh. Bahala na. Mag-wish ka kaya? Mag-wish ka kaya? Hindi na kailangan ng nunid. Bahala na. Maaga pa naman. Makakauwi naman siguro tayo bukas. Marami naman tayo. Ilan tayo? 7 tayo ah. 6. Ano ba? Nauna na isa eh. Wala, hindi namin alam guys kung saan to. Hanggat may gas, takbo na takbo. Full tank lang eh. Hindi may ano naman yan ah. May pangalan naman yan eh. Naiya. Naiya pala to eh. Airport departure. Diretso lang to. Alam ko diretso lang to eh. Ayun, may Manila na ito mas. May Manila na, may nakita ng Manila. Oo. Ano ba nakasakop ng ano? MUA? Ano ba nakasakop ng MUA? Oh. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Ang lalim. Mayayin. Dito tayo sa kabila. Kabila tayo. Kamote ka talaga eh. Yung, magkano?
3,000.
May ticket?
Tinitag niya, ano,
Oh.
tapos daw yung hindi daw dala yung aking kapatid.
Ano yung sabi sa... Pero hindi naman natikitan.
Ha?
Natikitan, di. Pinakita mo sana yung damit mo. Ha?
Important naman. Buti mabait yung pulis na natapatan niya.
Hindi dapat na ganun siya ng damit para ano. Oo, hindi naman yun ano, alam naman lang yun eh. Kamotor natin ba? Tumas mo? Kamotor natin. Parang ang liit mo. Ha? Right, parang liit.
Parang payat, ano?
Oo. Parang nalitan ako, no? Mall of Asia. Asia Mall of